Alright, Crazy Dust Storm. Take one. Hope we live. Not I love you, Mom.
Oh my gosh.
It's about
Scary.
150 yards away.
You don't even know what yards are. Oh my gosh, I'm going inside.
It's coming closer.
I know people are watching.
Wait for it.
Feel all the wind.
Yep. Wind's kicking up.
We're gonna hurt our eyes.
Probably, it's a ton of dust. No. We're getting ready to go inside. Wait for it.
Babe, okay, let's go inside now. Okay, yeah, let's go inside.
Wait, it's not that bad yet. Wait for it.